On to exercise 1.5. I have chosen 3 sums. First one, fifth one, ninth one. Right? First one, let's see. Log 5 base 25. So which form is it in? Log n base a equal to x, which is nothing but a power x equal to n. So here we can substitute it this way. Log 5 base 25 equal to x. This is in this form. Let's take to this form. That is 25 power x equal to 5. Right? Now let's prime factorize 25. 25 is nothing but 5 5s are 25, 5 1s. So 25 is nothing but 5 square. 5 square power x equal to, this 5 is nothing but 1. If there is no power, that means it is 1. Right? Now a power m whole power n. What do we know? A power m into n. Right? So here what do we write? 5 power 2x equal to 5 power 1. So both the base are same. So how do we equate? 2x equal to 1, which gives that x equal to 1 by 2. This is our answer. Right? On to the fifth sum. Log root x base x. What's the answer? Again we go with the same way. Log n base a equal to x, which implies that a power x equal to n. Right? So here log root x base x equal to, now already we are using x, so to avoid confusion we can use any other variable y, which implies that x power y equal to root x. Yeah, and we know what is root x. Square root of x is x power 1 by 2. So we can say that x power y equal to x power 1 by 2. Now both the base are similar, so we can say that y equal to 1 by 2. This is our answer. Right? On to the ninth sum. Right? How do we do this? What form is it in? Let's just analyze. It's in the form a power m plus n. A power m plus n comes from, a power m plus n is nothing but a power m into a power n. So let's go to the basics. How do we do this? 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. You can write it as 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. A power log n base a is nothing but n. Okay, so here we see this a is 2 log, again base 2, this 3. So what will be our value? N. What is our n? 3. Okay, let's go with this. 2 square is nothing but 4, and 2 power log 3 base 2 according to this formula is 3. So 4 3s are 12. Could you follow? I will explain it once again. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 is nothing but 2 square into 2 log 3 base 2 according to a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. Okay. Now 2 square is okay for us. 2 square is 4. Now what is this in the form of? That we need to analyze. A power log n base a equal to n. Right? Now let us just equate these two. What is our a? A is 2. Again base 2. That is a. And then n is 3. The whole thing values to n. What is our n? 3. So 4 into 3, which is nothing but 12. This is our answer. Hope this is clear to you. Meet you again in the next bit.